Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
Today we're going to break down the sort of all-new Taichi GP-WRX 308 one-piece race suit. Okay, the GP-WRX retails for $1849.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes.
Only when the product itself has been redesigned.
It took you a second.
It did take me a second.
Okay, this is another top shelf race suit from our friends at Taichi. This suit is Tech Air Race compatible as well as Tech Air 7X compatible. It has the wiring harness installed in it. If you still have a Tech Air Race, great unit, right? If you still have that, it has the wiring harness and LED panel for that, and it zips into the suit. Yep. The 7X zips in the same manner by which the Tech Air Race does, so you can install it in this suit. And remember, with the 7X,
has the LED panel right across the chest.
Yeah, you don't need the LED panel on your sleeve. That kind of went away.
Yep.
Sizing. We have Max in a size 50 Euro right now. And go ahead and give him a little breakdown.
Yes, I should give you guys my birthday on this one too. No. Yeah, I'm 5'11", 170. This is a 50 or a Japanese medium, I'd say. Pretty sure that's what it was. It fits great. I don't have an airbag underneath it. It is basically skin tight everywhere in my opinion. No back protector either. If I was going to go for an airbag, I'm going to need a 52. So. Yeah,
fair enough. And now, like, it looks like even in the arms, not too tight.
No, it feels good. It feels great everywhere.
That is an excellent cut suit. The RS Taichi suits have always had a cut that really favors people that are in shape.
Yeah,
right?
100%.
And I think this is a glaring example of that, you know, if you've got a pretty symmetrical build, you're in shape, right, not carrying a lot of extra weight, you're going to get a great fit out of this. The mobility that it offers with a stretch panel that spans across the top of the shoulder, a large stretch panel that's used across the waist, right? The ones that come over the shoulder blade and come up to the chest, they really allow the suit to move like a second skin.
Yep.
And they also work, too, to help manage an airbag deployment if you happen to have one.
That's it.
With the Taichi suits, they're known for offering what is probably the benchmark for perforation.
Yeah.
Look at the size of these holes, too.
I think it's called a holy suit. What I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
It's a holy suit.
You have Jesus on your team when you're wearing this one.
Hell yeah.
Tons of airflow with it. This is the Brazilian cowhide, the cowhide model, right?
And it moves, honestly, like kangaroo leather.
Yeah.
If we're being quite honest, it's great. It's super high quality. Stitching.
Top shelf. It's all top shelf stuff.
And what I really enjoy about this suit, for the airbag users that do have the Tech Air Race, so on honestly some Alpine Star suits, the LED panel that they had was a little piece of rubber. And if you would crash, 99% of the time on the left side, you would total out the lights and completely shred it out. This, RS Taichi developed a hard piece of plastic that actually covers up the LED lights. It's on both sides for some odd reason, probably just to look even.
Yeah, it's
symmetrical. And yeah, you won't trash the lights when you fall. And
Japanese, man, they're always
suit's awesome. They're
trying to cover all the bases.
Yeah.
The armor that's included with the race suit is level 2 CE certified in the shoulder, elbow, forearm, as well as the knee. In the second part of this video, we'll pull that stuff out and give you a look at the profile for each one. External sliders stitched down here in the shoulder, in the elbow, and down here on the knee, just over the replaceable knee puck.
Yeah.
Removable liner. You're able to wash that if you want to. Hand wash, mild detergent, line dry. It does come with a foam back protector. It's just a pad. There is no certification with it. There's no real measure of protection with it. It is good for like when you're trying suits on to get the sizing right. It basically takes up the same amount of space that a back protector would, and that's why they include that in the race suit. I really like the cut of this for somebody that's in good shape. This is going to be an excellent choice. It's going to get you a great fit.
Yeah. This is honestly what I would call a race fit.
Oh, 100%.
Straight up.
Without question.
Yeah.
If you like what you see and you want a little more detail, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to pull the suit off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go from the inside out, the RS Taichi GP-WRX 308 race suit. This comes complete with level 2 certified armor. Here's your knee and shin. Here's your shoulder. Here is your elbow and forearm. The suit also includes a removable mesh inner liner. The shoulder armor is held in a pocket right here in the liner itself. The other armor is held to this race suit shell with Velcro. This comes with a foam back pad. There is zero protection really offered by that. It's kind of in there for sizing. Let's say you get the suit and you're going to wear a back protector with it and it's still a little roomy. You could leave this in there to take up a little bit of space, but it really doesn't protect the rider in the same manner which an airbag, of course, or a standalone back protector would. In the hip area, there is some padding, right? That is not certified. Give you a quick look at that. If you're going to wash that, you want to pull it out, hand wash with a mild detergent, line dry it, and then reinstall it in your race suit. Focusing now on the shell of the suit. This is an airbag compatible suit. This is going to work like we stated earlier. This is going to work with both your Tech Air Race and your Tech Air 7X. You could also wear like a Tech Air 5 under it, but it's going to allow the two previously mentioned models to zip right in, which is the best way to use the airbag. Large motion panels here. Those are perforated. Perforated panels here out of the impact zone. Large motion panel here at the waist. 2 layers of leather are used in the seat. Tons of perf down here in the lower leg. Get to the front of the suit. Elbow slider. Motion panel in the elbow. If you're using the Tech Air Race, it does come with the LED panel and the harness. Large perforated panel here in the upper arm. Integrated shoulder slider. You'll see this motion panel they have stitched across the top of the shoulder. That's meant to really increase mobility as well as help manage potential airbag deployments. The front of the suit, tremendous perforation. We showed you this earlier while Max had it on. The Taichi suits offer what is typically the highest level of perforation in the segment, right? So you're going to get maximum cooling from this. Fully perforated panels here in the quad, motion panel at the knee, integrated knee protector / slider, replaceable knee pucks both sides, and just like we showed you on the back here in the calf area, fully perforated leather panel. And at the front in the shin area, they're finishing that just with the shoulder, the Keprotec. It wears a lot lighter and cooler. It's out of the impact zone and it takes up less space underneath the boot. Get inside the suit and just kind of take a quick look here. Removable race hump. There is your LED wiring harness. If you're going to use a Tech Air Race, it's right there. Kind of give you a look at one of the safety seams here. Without question, Taichi is one of the premier race suit manufacturers in the industry. They've been making great product for decades now. There's your 2 layers of leather in the seat of the suit. All in all, what do I think? It's a Taichi suit, man. They're great. Tons of protection, comfortable to wear, mega perforation. If you are riding in a hot climate and you want massive perforation in an airbag-ready suit, this one should for sure be on your short list. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself and always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.